Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today we are back with a reaction series, no? Again, nagre-react pa rin tayo, no? Sa album ni Philip na Seven Sins. And this time we are on our fifth track, no? Title nun is Greed, Official Visualizer. And yeah, I mean, at this point, ano na lang no? I'm just excited and curious sa vibe and sa genre and yung sa kanta na mapapakinggan natin, no? Kasi parang every track na napakinggan natin dito sa album na to is binibigyan ka talaga ng ibang vibe, no? Ibang ibang feelings, no? Ang mararamdaman mo kada kanta, iba-ibang feelings, no? But yeah, Greed. I'm so excited kung paano niya ilalagay yung greed or yung tema or yung setang greed sa kantang to, no? So, without further ado, man, let's get it. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Ibang vibe na naman. Ibang vibe na naman.
It's how I made you my everything, even when you chose to go. It's how I put you first again, even when greed is all you know. You made me believe it, believe everything's going to be okay. For years I've been waiting, have faith in worth saving. My love for you, my love for you.
Ibang Philip naman, no? Ibang Philip na naman ang meron tayo ngayon, guys. And I think this is the first time, no? I mean, by the way, no, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, no? Sa mga ngayon lang nag-subscribe dahil sa pag-react natin sa album na to, Seven Sins. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, nag-react din ako actually sa buong EP lang ba yun? EP lang yun, di ba? Yung pagtatag nila. Nag-react tayo sa buong EP actually, in just one video. I mean, yung Gento is separate. Kasi nag-react tayo ng separately doon sa Gento. Tapos nagsabi nga kayo na mag-react tayo sa pagtatag nila, no? Pero kasi puro visualizer yung napakinggan natin nun. So hindi ko talaga alam kung sino si anong part doon na si Philip yung kumakanta. Pero as far as I know, this is the first time, no, para sa akin na alam ko na kumanta ng gantong klaseng kanta, no? Gantong vibe, gantong feeling, gantong genre si Philip. And I don't know, man. Hindi ko na tuloy alam kung anong gusto ko. Gusto ko ba yung hype na nakaka-hype na Philip o yung R&B na Philip o yung ganto, no?
I've been waiting, have faith in worth saving. My love for you, my love for you. You make me believe it, still meant nothing for you. My love for you, my love for you. You make me believe it, still meant nothing for you. Cause I was kicking at an open door, shooting sin out the lights. We both know you've been lying to me, so I keep killing myself. Gotta get mad at water's flowing, natural disasters left me broken. I tried to fix the
How can I get mad with waters flowing, no? Natural disaster. What the fuck? Just
we both know you've been lying to me, so I keep killing myself. Gotta get mad at water's flowing, natural disasters left.
Diba? Natural disasters left it broken. No? So, how can you get mad with waters just flowing? No? Natural disasters left it broken. Like, for example, like a tsunami or something like that, right? I mean, syempre, no, maiinis ka, no? Pag, for example, may tsunami, nasira yung bahay mo, lahat ng pinaghirapan mo, right? But, at the end of the day, maintindihan mo kasi it's a natural disaster, no? Usually, natural disaster, mag-iiwan talaga yan ng sira, no? Sa lahat ng dadaanan niya, no? Pero at the same time, no? Tungkol nga dun sa tema nito, gusto niyong anuhin, no? Na, parang how can you get mad sa taong yun, no? Kung parang gano'n na talaga siya, right? And at the same time, alam mong gano'n siya pero mahal mo pa rin siya, eh. 'Di ba? So parang and yun pa, gusto kong sabihin dito is how can you guys fucking say na Philip is not lyrical? How? I mean, may narinig na ba kayo na, siguro meron na, no? Of course, meron na. Pero, how can you, nakarinig na ba kayo ng mga, like, singers dito sa Pilipinas? Or, madalas yung bang makarinig ng singer na ganito yung lyrics? Like, na sobrang, pinag-isipan yung metaphor, hindi yung kadalasang marinig mo na you leave me with a broken heart, something like that. Like, alam mo yun?
Telling lies, we both know you've been lying to me, so I keep killing myself. How to get mad at waters flowing, natural disasters left me broken. I tried to fix the pieces on my heart, but you keep tearing it apart, and I keep blaming you. In the end, I guess I am a fool. I've learned to believe it.
You keep, I'm trying to fix my broken heart, but you keep tearing it apart, no? Kasi parang, ayun na nga, parang, naayos mo yung sarili mo kasi broken hearted ka sa kanya. Pero at the same time, hindi mo pa rin siya malayuan or makalimutan, no? And she keeps on breaking your heart, no? And, I guess I am the fool, no? Kasi parang, totoo naman, ikaw talaga yung fool, no? Kasi parang bumabalik ka pa ng bumabalik at alam mong no? I mean, that's what you call you're a martyr, man. Alam mo ba yan? Yeah. It means that you are in too fucking deep.
Fix the pieces on my heart, but you keep tearing it apart, and I keep blaming you. In the end, I guess I am a fool.
I keep blaming you sa nangyayari sa atin, pero mabalik pa rin ako. So I guess I am the fool, right?
Believe everything's going to be okay. That these years were worth waiting. It wasn't worth saving. My life for you, now my life for you. You made me believe it.
Nakikita niyo ba? Kita ba? I got fucking goosebumps, man. What the fuck? Alam niyo yung pagpasok ng My love for you, tapos parang yung adlibs niya and yung background vocals, no, nag-angatan lahat kasabay nung pasok ng chorus niya, and that's fucking heavenly, no?
Saving my life for you, now my life for you.
Hey.
You made me believe it, still in nothing for you. My life for you, now my life for you. You made me believe it, still in nothing for you.
Ay, minsan ka nakarinig ng ang hinahaming lang is ng paulit-ulit pero parang hindi nakakasamang pakinggan, no? Damn, boy. But yeah, I mean, again, that's Felipe, no? React pa rin tayo sa album yung Seven Sins, and this is Greed. I mean, basically yung meaning niya is yung greed nung babae, no? I mean, this how I interpret it, no? Comment down below kung paano nyo ini-interpret yung kanta. Pero yun na nga, no? Parang greed kasi bakit pa like minahal or dinamay, no? Na all of this meant nothing for you, right? I mean, ako hulog na pero ikaw parang this all meant nothing for you. Like ginagawa mo akong like laruan, no? And that's greed kasi meaning ng greed is parang lahat ng gusto mo is gusto mong makuha, pero it doesn't mean na kailangan mo sila, right? Gusto mo lang sila as accessory or pero hindi mo naman talaga gusto lahat yun, no? I mean, hindi mo sila binavalue lahat. Gusto mo lang sila lahat, no? Na makuha, no? And I guess that's the greed in here, no? Greed nung other person, no? I mean, si Felipe yung kumanta na ito, lalaki si Felipe, no? Pero most probably maraming babae ang makaka-relate dito, no? Most probably. Pero I mean, may mga lalaki din naman, no? Sa panahon ngayon, hindi naman na para sa lalaki yung gano'n, no? Sa panahon ngayon, applicable na rin sa babae, no? Kasi marami na rin babae ngayon na but yeah, I mean, damn boy, yung vocals ni Felipe dito, man, astronomical, no? Heavenly. Again, dito tayo sa ranking natin, no? Pwede tayo sa ranking natin. Kung i-rank ko to, let's be honest, kung i-rank ko to, no? I mean, I still fuck with Lust, no? That is still going to be my jam, no? Pero magiging ako dito, magiging madaya ako sa ranking ko, no? Kasi ranking nga diba? Ranking. Pero ilalagay ko siguro to na ka-level ng Lust, no? I mean, hindi ko kayang itaas yung Lust dito sa kantang to. Ang ganda ng kantang to, no? So, I guess kaparehas kasi yan ng rank, no? Nadalawang paborito ko sa basically parang mag-ibang genre na lang. Hindi na lang isipin natin, no? Kalimutan natin dayaan sa ranking. But yeah, dinaya yung sarili, no? And that is, again, Felipe, Greed, no? 5th track na napakinggan natin sa album ng Seven Sins. And still up to this day, ilang araw na tayo nag-react, no? Hindi pa lang ako disappoint, no? Usually sa mga album, kahit mga sikat na rapper or sikat na singer, usually merong isang tapon ng isang kanta or dalawa, no? Na hindi mo feel. Pero so far, no? Lahat ng kanta na pakinggan natin is pasok sa panga. But yeah, that's our reaction for today. Sana nagustuhan nyo, no? Leave a like and subscribe kung gusto nyo mag-react sa video yung artist, singer, rapper, song. Just comment down below. We are going to react to it. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. Stay awesome. Alas 2 na ng madaling araw, no? So I'm going to sleep, no? Peace.